Are you ready to dive into the exciting world of green hydrogen project development and financing? Renewable.com is thrilled to announce our upcoming comprehensive course that will equip you with the knowledge and tools necessary to succeed in this rapidly growing industry. Subscribe now to our mailing list to be the first to know when this game-changing course launches and take the first step towards becoming a green hydrogen project leader and innovator. Check out the link provided in the description below to subscribe and stay updated on this exciting opportunity. Hello and welcome to Renewable.com's YouTube channel, your go-to source for all things renewable energy. In today's video, we'll be taking an in-depth look at green hydrogen purchase agreements, a crucial tool for accelerating the growth of the green hydrogen economy and powering the future of clean energy. As the world grapples with the urgent need to decarbonize our energy systems and combat climate change, green hydrogen has emerged as a promising solution. With its versatility, scalability, and zero carbon footprint, green hydrogen has the potential to revolutionize the way we power our industries, transport, and homes. However, for green hydrogen to reach its full potential, we need new models of collaboration and investment that can drive the deployment of renewable energy infrastructure and the growth of the hydrogen market. This is where green hydrogen purchase agreements come in. What are green hydrogen purchase agreements? Green hydrogen purchase agreements, or GH2PA, are long-term contracts between hydrogen producers and buyers that specify the terms and conditions for the sale and purchase of green hydrogen. These agreements are similar to power purchase agreements, PPAs, commonly used in the renewable energy industry, but with a focus on green hydrogen produced using renewable energy sources like solar or wind power. GH2PA provide a framework for hydrogen producers and buyers to collaborate on the development and financing of green hydrogen projects. By securing a long-term, stable demand for green hydrogen, producers can de-risk their investments and access the capital needed to build and operate renewable energy infrastructure. At the same time, buyers can secure a reliable, cost-effective supply of green hydrogen to support their decarbonization goals and fuel their operations. Key elements of green hydrogen purchase agreements. To better understand what makes a green hydrogen purchase agreement, let's explore its key elements in more detail. 1. Green hydrogen source. The first and most important element of a GH2PA is the specification that the hydrogen being purchased is produced using renewable energy. This ensures that the hydrogen is truly green and has a minimal carbon footprint. The agreement should clearly define the renewable energy sources that will be used to produce the hydrogen, such as solar, wind, or hydropower, and may include provisions for third-party verification or certification of the hydrogen's green attributes. 2. Price. The price per unit of hydrogen is another critical element of a GH2PA. The price can be fixed or indexed to market prices, depending on the preferences and risk tolerances of the parties involved. Fixed prices provide greater certainty and predictability for both the producer and the buyer, while indexed prices allow for more flexibility and risk sharing. The agreement should also specify any price escalation or adjustment mechanisms, such as inflation indexing or price floors and ceilings. 3. Volume. The volume of hydrogen to be purchased is another key element of a GH2PA. The agreement should specify the minimum and maximum volumes of hydrogen that the buyer commits to purchase over the term of the contract, as well as any flexibility or optionality provisions. This gives the buyer a reliable supply of hydrogen to meet their needs, while also providing the producer with a guaranteed demand to support their investment and operations. 4. Duration. GH2PA are typically long-term contracts, with durations ranging from 10 to 20 years or more. This long-term commitment is essential for enabling the development and financing of green hydrogen projects, which require significant upfront capital investments and have long payback periods. The agreement should specify the start and end dates of the contract, as well as any renewal or extension options. 5. Delivery terms. Finally, the agreement should outline the delivery terms and logistics for the green hydrogen. This includes specifying the point of delivery, such as the location of the hydrogen production facility or the buyer's site, as well as the transportation responsibilities and costs. The agreement should also define the quality specifications and testing requirements for the hydrogen, to ensure that it meets the buyer's needs and industry standards. Examples of green hydrogen purchase agreements in action. To illustrate the impact and potential of green hydrogen purchase agreements, let's look at some real-world examples of how these agreements are being used to drive the growth of the green hydrogen economy. 1. Plug Power and Brookfield Renewable Partners. In early 2021, Plug Power, a leading provider of hydrogen fuel cell solutions, announced a landmark GH2PA with Brookfield Renewable Partners, one of the world's largest publicly traded renewable power platforms. Under the agreement, Brookfield will supply Plug Power with green hydrogen from its hydroelectric facilities across the United States, which Plug Power will use to produce hydrogen fuel cells for its customers in the transportation, logistics, and stationary power markets. The agreement is expected to provide Plug Power with up to 10 tons of green hydrogen per day, equivalent to powering over 1,500 light commercial vehicles or 1,000 heavy-duty trucks. By securing a long-term, stable supply of green hydrogen, Plug Power can accelerate its growth and expansion plans, while also supporting the decarbonization of the transportation sector. 2. Air Liquide and Nevada Copper. In 2020, Air Liquide, a global leader in gases, technologies, and services for industry and health, signed a long-term GH2 with Nevada Copper, a mining company developing the Pumpkin Hollow Copper project in Nevada. Under the agreement, Air Liquide will invest in and operate a hydrogen production and liquefaction plant at the mine site, which will use renewable energy to produce green hydrogen for powering haul trucks and other mining equipment. The agreement is expected to reduce the mine's carbon footprint by up to 30,000 tons of CO2 per year, equivalent to taking 6,500 cars off the road. By partnering with Air Liquide, Nevada Copper can access the expertise and infrastructure needed to decarbonize its operations, while also demonstrating the potential for green hydrogen in the mining industry. 3. Linde and Hyundai Motor Company. In 2021, Linde, a leading global industrial gases and engineering company, announced a GH2 with Hyundai Motor Company, one of the world's largest automakers. Under the agreement, Linde will supply Hyundai with green hydrogen for its fuel cell electric vehicles, FCEVs, in South Korea, supporting Hyundai's efforts to expand its FCEV fleet and reduce greenhouse gas emissions. The agreement is expected to provide Hyundai with up to 30 tons of green hydrogen per day, equivalent to powering over 10,000 FCEVs. 3. By securing a reliable and cost-effective supply of green hydrogen, Hyundai can accelerate the adoption of hydrogen mobility in South Korea and beyond, while also supporting the country's ambitious plans to become a global leader in hydrogen technology and infrastructure. The future of green hydrogen purchase agreements. As these examples demonstrate, green hydrogen purchase agreements are already playing a crucial role in driving the growth of the green hydrogen economy and supporting the decarbonization of hard-to-abate sectors like transportation, industry, and mining. However, the potential for GH2 is only beginning to be realized, and there are many exciting developments and opportunities on the horizon. One of the key trends shaping the future of GH2 is the growing interest and investment in hydrogen infrastructure, such as pipelines, storage facilities, and refueling stations. As the hydrogen market grows and matures, there will be increasing demand for shared and standardized infrastructure that can support multiple hydrogen producers and buyers. This will create new opportunities for collaborative and innovative GH2 models, such as hydrogen hubs and clusters, where multiple stakeholders can partner to develop and operate integrated hydrogen value chains. Another important trend is the increasing focus on green hydrogen certification and tracking, to ensure the environmental integrity and credibility of the hydrogen being produced and sold. As more companies and governments set ambitious decarbonization targets and make sustainability commitments, there will be growing demand for transparent and verifiable green hydrogen attributes, such as renewable energy sources, carbon intensity, and water usage. This will drive the development of new GH2 models and mechanisms, such as green hydrogen certificates and guarantees of origin, that can monetize and incentivize the production and use of truly green hydrogen. Finally, the future of GH2 will be shaped by the evolving policy and regulatory landscape for green hydrogen, both at the national and international levels. Governments around the world are increasingly recognizing the strategic importance of green hydrogen for achieving their climate and energy goals, and are implementing a range of policies and incentives to support the development of the hydrogen economy. These include setting national hydrogen strategies and targets, providing funding and financing for hydrogen projects and infrastructure, and creating market-based mechanisms for valuing and trading hydrogen and its environmental attributes. As these policies and regulations evolve and mature, they will create new opportunities and challenges for GH2 and will require ongoing collaboration and innovation among policymakers, industry stakeholders, and civil society. Conclusion. As we've seen in this video, green hydrogen purchase agreements are a powerful tool for accelerating the growth of the green hydrogen economy and powering the future of clean energy. By providing a framework for long-term collaboration and investment between hydrogen producers and buyers, GH2 can unlock the full potential of green hydrogen to decarbonize our energy systems, create new jobs and economic opportunities, and combat climate change. Whether you're a renewable energy developer, an industrial company, a policymaker, or a sustainability professional, understanding the key elements, real-world applications, and future potential of GH2PA is essential for staying ahead of the curve and seizing the opportunities in this rapidly evolving market. If you're interested in learning more about green hydrogen purchase agreements and how they can support your renewable energy goals, we invite you to join our upcoming Green Hydrogen Project Development and Financing course. This comprehensive 10-module program will provide you with the tools, insights, and network you need to succeed in the exciting and transformative world of green hydrogen. By enrolling in this course, you'll gain a deep understanding of the technical, commercial, and financial aspects of green hydrogen project development, including how to structure and negotiate GH2PA, how to navigate the regulatory and policy landscape, and how to access funding and financing for your projects. You'll also have the opportunity to learn from and network with leading experts and practitioners in the field, and to apply your learning through hands-on case studies and real-world projects. To be the first to know when the course launches and to take advantage of exclusive early bird discounts, sign up for our mailing list at the link in the description below. We can't wait to welcome you to the Renewable.com community and to support you on your journey to becoming a green hydrogen leader and changemaker. Thank you for watching, and be sure to like, share, and subscribe to Renewable.com's YouTube channel for more insights and updates on the exciting world of renewable energy. Are you ready to dive into the exciting world of green hydrogen project development and financing? Renewable.com is thrilled to announce our upcoming comprehensive course that will equip you with the knowledge and tools necessary to succeed in this rapidly growing industry. Subscribe now to our mailing list to be the first to know when this game-changing course launches and take the first step towards becoming a green hydrogen project leader and innovator. Check out the link provided in the description below to subscribe and stay updated on this exciting opportunity.